The scent of jasmine paints the air deep inside the verdant groves. Light diffused arouses brush where flowers rise in troves. The sound of life now echoes forth, bouncing off the auburn trunks. Avian psalm heralds dawn like hymning feathered monks. Slowly the gasp of Gaia's breath fills the sails of flowing leaves, clasping clouds in azure palm that hardly one perceives. Spiraling up and through the rest, titans spread their chestnut arms, living homes for all to thrive, protecting all from harms. Waves of sapphire swirl about, parting the path to flourish, quenching thirst of weary souls nothing else could nourish. In darkened depths beneath the roots, a balance is maintained. From the void life springs anew, the cycle is sustained. And soon enough the paint will stain the petals of her eye, make them open from the bloom and wander towards the sky. A wayward buzz now lands below, so xanthus in delight makes a trade by accident and then returns to flight. Tending its crops a farm by chance, it sows them one by one, takes its food back to the nest until the day is done. An argent glow replaces warmth and most now fall to rest, howling at their silver altar whence the sun will crest. A stillness falls upon the air, echoes from the river, a solace and a respite that darkness can deliver. And even if the end will come, the journey starts once more. If I fall prey to the night, upon the dawn I'll soar.